Guys, so today we have a super fun activity planned. Today we are going to build a Disney gingerbread house. If you guys don't know, Disney is my absolute favorite. I'm just waiting on Carly, so Carly! Ew, ew, ew.
What is that?
What, Carly? Did you have slime in here again?
No, I only
What is that? Ew.
That's obviously not slime.
Ew.
That's like obviously not slime.
What is it? It looks like toothpaste or something. Ew.
Ew.
Ow! Ow!
Are you okay?
I just stepped on something.
Ew!
What is this?
Teeth!
Ew, they're teeth!
Dentures!
Oh, are they yours?
I don't need them. I don't need them.
What is this?
Alpha-dent?
Alpha-dent denture adhesive cream.
Oh, it's to make your dentures stick?
Ellie! Ellie is in big trouble, Carly.
Mom,
Seriously.
don't do this.
I am doing this. Ellie? What are you doing?
She brought us a cupcake.
It's not a real cupcake. What is it? It says a cupcake a day keeps the Grinch away. Ellie?
Mom?
Why were you playing with Alpha-dent on the counter?
Mom?
What?
I don't think it was her.
Ellie?
Wait, she doesn't have dentures. She's young.
How do you know?
She's only like 5 years
She
old.
might be 100. We don't know. Ellie, if you're innocent, blink once.
Don't lie.
Do elves lie?
No, they don't.
I don't know. I think some elves might lie.
But Ellie's always a good elf, so she wouldn't lie.
Evil lies.
Mom.
Devil lies.
Mom, they're not good elves. Ellie's is a really, really good elf.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
What is that on the floor?
A green elf hat.
What? Let me see. We don't have any green elves.
A new elf!
That's not necessarily a good thing. A green elf hat. I don't know.
Should we go search for it?
No, wait, whoa, listen. Do you hear that?
Sounds like snoring.
It does sound like snoring. You know what? I had comments on Instagram the last time saying that there was a bad elf in our tree. And hanging off a door. I don't see any bad elves, do you?
Hanging off her door.
Yeah, someone left a comment on Instagram saying that there was a bad elf. Evil. On the door, hanging off a door, but I don't know what door handle. I don't know. Shh. The snoring. Here, let's follow it. Oh, it's Loki.
He's not even asleep.
Are you snoring?
He's not asleep.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleepy boy? Loki, what is going on here? Is that your Alpha-dent?
No, he's a dog. It would be doggo-dent.
What do you think, Loki? Have you seen anything suspicious? Anything, Loki? No? Okay, nothing hanging off the door. We need to find more clues.
Wait, follow the snoring.
Okay. We have to very carefully follow the sound of the snoring. Shh. Just kidding. That's me. What was that? What?
Healthy feet.
Healthy feet. O'Keefe's Healthy Feet safe for, can't get it to zoom, safe for diabetic skin. Ew, look at the before and after.
You don't have
I should try this on my feet.
You don't have diabetic skin.
Ew. The before picture kind of looks like my feet.
Really?
Right?
Mine kind of look like the after.
All right, we have to follow the sound of the snoring.
Why would you throw it on the floor?
Shh, okay. What's that?
Look,
A clue, a clue.
a fluff.
Clues.
Ew, it feels like a beard.
Huh.
It's a beard.
Okay, shh, listen for the snoring. What is that? Shh, shh, shh. Wait, it says shh. What is that?
The grandpa elf.
Grandpa Elf, what's he doing here?
He's sleeping on tissue.
Wake up!
Did you touch him?
Kind of. You don't know if he's magical. What is that? I've never seen that before. Is this Ellie's grandpa?
Oh!
Styling.
Wait, let's give him his hat back.
Wait, he must have been the one who made the mess on the floor.
Oh, and the counter. Where is
And the
hat?
counter. Where is his hat?
Where did you put it?
Ellie, did you steal Grandpa's hat? Is that her grandpa? Ellie. Ellie, blink once if that is your grandpa.
Ooh.
Ellie has a grandpa. Now where's his hat? What'd you do with it?
I didn't touch it.
What did you do?
Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, I put it there. Now I remember. Is that his hat? It is.
He matches very well.
Carly, do you think he wants his elfo dent in?
Yeah. Why not?
His dentures? You can use the elfo dent to get
Yeah,
his
that's
hat to stick.
Oh.
Slap it right on that beauty. Right on that dome.
The dome.
I can't see. I can't see. Gotta move your hand.
Slap a dab dab.
Slab a dab dab. Some elfo dent.
Can I put
The
it
seam goes in the back.
Can I
Other
put
way.
it on?
Other way. Yeah. Maybe his hat will stick to his head now.
Wait, we should put his elf dentures on.
You're gonna put his teeth in? Looks like a
A very long
mustache.
tongue. A very long tongue.
I don't think those are the right dentures.
No, it's fine. He's beautiful.
Should we go sit him next? You're gonna make Grandpa mad. What about his cream for his feet?
Wait, should we put his cream on his feet?
You should put the cream on his feet. He apparently has some rank feet.
Whoops. Healthy feet.
You just think that's hilarious, don't you? His healthy feet. Ew.
There you go. Very healthy feet.
He'll be back to normal in no time.
Allie, here's your grandpa. Never been better.
Yay! All right, well, I guess we need to name him. What are we gonna call him? Grandpa Joe?
Crazy Joe.
Crazy Joe? Crazy Grandpa?
Crazy Grandpa Joe.
All right, your new name is Crazy Grandpa Joe.
Psycho Grandpa Joe.
Psycho Grandpa Joe.
There you go.
It looks like Grandpa Elf is back again, and he has quite the collection of items going on. It says, Ellie told me you're on the naughty list. Grandpa Elf will help you. Carly, I got some bad news. I have some bad news.
What?
you're on the naughty list.
What?
You're on the naughty list.
What did I do? What, haven't I been a good girl lately? Mom, no. Have I been on a good girl lately?
Well, Grandpa Alf, of course, I always think you're a good girl, but all parents think their kids are perfect.
I'm not
But
perfect,
Grandpa Alf is here, and he left a note, and it says, Ellie says you're on the naughty list. And Grandpa Alf...
Mom,
What?
I don't think that's Ellie.
What?
I don't think that's Ellie.
Oh, I hope that's not the Ellie he's talking about.
Mom, I really hope he doesn't think this is Ellie.
That's the elf that we can't get rid of. It just keeps reappearing.
I
mean, Grandpa's eyes are a
obviously
little
not
old.
Ellie. Ellie's as sweet as an angel.
But it doesn't say that this...
Ellie is as sweet as an angel. She would never be that mad.
No, but this elf keeps reappearing. But we don't know if maybe Ellie did tell him. Or maybe he's old and he can't see very well.
Grandpa, you need to connect your eyes.
I mean, he is wearing his glasses. So...
I don't think he has the lenses in.
So decorate... It looks like he's got some things... And then this, I'm assuming this is...
What is that costume?
Looks like an elf...
Daddy.
An elf costume?
I guess, sure. So where do I put this on? Okay.
And this is going to get you off the naughty list?
I guess. Hey, I've been in Christmas spirit.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's Buddy the Elf.
My shirt's
Too bad there wasn't a little raccoon in the yard. Here, kitty, kitty.
You kitty kitty. I don't want to do that.
I don't think so. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Here, let me cinch you up here.
It's kind of itchy.
Is it? Okay.
This is choking me.
You have to...
I'm just gonna leave the back open.
You have to get your
Do I have to get
Christmas...
these pants on?
Let's see. Let's see the pants. Very nice. I think the feather goes in the front though. And then I guess Grandpa wants you to look like him. Right?
I just need to stretch the mouth part out. Wow.
Yeah. You guys are going to be
Oopsies.
twinning. Twinning?
Mm-mm.
You know, put your glasses and hat on. Yeah, he doesn't have the feather in his hat. There you go. Look at you. Look at you guys. Picture perfect.
I might have to take this off.
Grandpa doesn't want you to take it off. Grandpa wants you to wear it. All right. Oh, you got a belt too.
Oh.
Don't forget the belt. Look at your beard. I don't even know if that's gonna fit.
What do you think? I'm 100 pounds? What is this?
I don't know.
I think I accidentally ripped the bottom.
Oops, get your beard
I
on.
can't wear that.
You have to. Unless you want to stay on the naughty list. All right, I guess I'm gonna, I mean, this is too easy. What are you supposed to eat
no,
those?
No, wait, I have a better idea. Grandpa has back hair.
Grandpa has back hair?
The back ponytail thing.
Let me see. Oh, he does have a back ponytail. Is that what you have going instead of the beard?
I can't get it on.
All right, you have...
I can't have this hat on.
You have to do an elf dance in the yard.
I got this.
In the yard. What if the neighbors are out? Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Carly,
It won't fit.
come here. Wear your hat.
Bye.
Unless you want to stay on the naughty list.
Fine.
All right.
Come out.
Okay.
It actually can't.
Woo!
It's like for kids.
All right, let's see your elf dance.
Come out, wherever you are. You're standing back.
I'm backing up slowly.
Come out.
Dance.
He's gonna have a dance off. Does someone want to dance?
Dance. Yeah, as I'm slowly backing away as neighbors start coming outside.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, hello. Look. He's like,
All right, let me see.
Sing Christmas song for all to hear. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
All the dogs are gonna start howling.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Let's see what one-horse open sleigh. Hey, I want to go outside and sing it.
Okay. All the neighborhood dogs are gonna start howling.
Neighbor has like 5 dogs.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Loki, did you? I don't think Loki liked it. Look, he wants to get out. He's trying to run away from you. Look at.
Oh, the neighbor's out.
Are there?
I just saw one just
He's
look
trying
over
to
at-
run away from you,
I saw
Carly.
one just look over at her house.
Uh-oh.
Down there. Decorate this Christmas cookie! I'm sorry.
You touched him!
He's fine.
Is he magical?
Well, I mean,
Ah!
he seemed to still have magic when we touched him.
He still has elfo dent on his face.
And probably, and in his head.
Oh, wait, it's still on the top of his head. Ew. Ew, it's still sticky. Ew.
Stop!
Stop!
I just wiped it on.
All right, you want to decorate this Christmas cookie?
Is this a bell?
I think it's a ghost. I
Seriously?
mean, maybe it could be a... It's a ghost. Look, it has Halloween stuff.
Oh, this is... Mom, hold on. I can't...
Ew! This stuff is hard as a rock. Look at. And it's chunky. And it has oils in it. You can't decorate. How... Grandpa, it's not Halloween. It's Christmas.
We have this chunky icing.
Oh, from the other day?
Yeah.
Ah, it's crumbling all over.
Ew.
That doesn't look any better.
It does actually look kind of better.
Not so much.
Let's use this too. Spread it.
That frosting spreads nice, just like butter.
Just like butter. My frosting is way better.
If the cookies are from Halloween, I wonder how old those M&Ms are.
Probably.
I mean,
No, these were from the year before Halloween.
these look a little stale as it is. Are you gonna eat that cookie?
Nope.
I wouldn't eat it either.
And yeah, this is good.
Ew.
This
Maybe put some pumpkins on or something. Need some scissors?
A little bow.
Here, let's see. Why would we have scissors in the drawer where they belong? That would be too easy, right?
Maybe. Here, I'm gonna give her one thing. A mustache.
A mustache. Mustachio.
There you go. She's done.
Beautiful. All right. Do you think that's it? Do you think that will really get you on the good list?
Probably.
You didn't really do any good deeds. You ready?
Yeah.
Ew, is it good or bad?
It's like the most disgusting thing I've ever had.
What does it taste like?
A rock?
Is it stale?
I can't even eat it. It's hard to eat.
Ew, okay, so you did everything.
I don't think Grandpa would give me this. I think if she did.
You think
The
this was
evil
all the
Ellie.
evil elf?
The evil Lily.
Making you do stuff? The evil elf's evil twin?
Maybe like this one? She did? No, he did? I think this one he did.
Ooh. All right, well, I guess you did everything. Hopefully we hear back and you're on the nice list, right?
Mm-hmm. You can only find out on Christmas morning.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be cutting open Carlaylee! Right? Hello? She skedaddled. I'm just kidding, I won't cut you open. However, we are going to be cutting open Grandpa Elf. Grandpa Elf has been acting a little strange, right, Carly? He told us a story that you were on the naughty list, and we don't think that was true. So we want to cut him open, see what's inside, and make sure he's not an evil elf in disguise. But what if he...
Ow.
What if he's not
I've
evil?
been screaming like a banshee all day.
Yeah. So what do you think? Do you think this grandpa is good or bad? You are sadistic.
Give me!
All right, so let's put grandpa down here. All right, ooh. Do you want to lift up this hat? Oop.
Your brains are leaking.
Ew, it does kind of look like his brains are leaking out of his head. He's still got the elfo dent. All right, go easy on the old guy. Why don't you go up and down?
Like how?
Like this, watch. You hold Mr. Grandpa. So you go. Little snippy snips.
He's chunkier than usual. Grandpa.
Oh wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, before we start, wait, what do you think he's gonna have in his belly?
Something weird.
I think he's gonna have, what kind of something weird?
I don't know. A friend.
A friend?
A friend.
I think he's gonna have Slappy in there.
Okay.
Mini Slappy?
I might have to cut a little more.
Oh, there's some stuff in there for sure. What is that? Oh no. It's Slappy! He did eat Slappy.
No, we didn't. That's not Slappy.
Ellie? What
He ate a friend.
is that?
That's a baby.
A baby?
Elf. It's a baby elf.
Looks like, that is creepy looking elf. Is this like the first elf on the shelf ever? Maybe. All right, what else is inside this guy here?
What?
Ew. Is it sticky? Don't don't touch me. Ew, it's on my hand. I got his brains on my hand. Here, take it out. What is that?
He used up a whole bottle of Elfodent. It's only been like a day.
Wow, it looks like he uses it for a lot. I mean, he uses it to So his hat sticks.
Uses it for his brains.
His teeth. All right, is there anything else in there?
Ew!
What?
Ew! Ew! How would you eat your dentures?
Ew. Those dentures don't even fit him. So this is what's kind of disturbing. They're not his dentures, clearly. So whose dentures are they? There's someone else among us.
Yes.
I don't know whose those would be.
Well, so we'll observe this. Like, ew!
I dare you to put them in your mouth. Really? Now smile.
I can't. That's disgusting.
That is gross. You put someone else's teeth in your mouth. All right, can I reach in and pull something out here?
Are you sure you want to?
No.
Oh, a hair tie. For his little man bun. Or man ponytail.
He should, instead of trying to grow the hair long in the back, just comb it over. So it looks like he's got hair still. Do you want me to reach in or do you want to reach in?
Me. It's my turn.
Okay.
It's my turn! Ow.
There's something big up here. Let me try to push it down. It's like way up in here. You got it?
Done.
Try to work it down.
We'll do it in slow-mo.
What? Ew! What was that?
Wait, Mom. Let's not worry about that right now. A Grincher.
Grandpa, you're supposed to eat the sweater. It kind of matches though. Look at if he actually wore that. That would look cute with the pants. It's kind of a cute outfit.
Ish.
All right.
Okay. Okay, let's not worry about the brown stuff in there.
The brown stuff in his insides.
A cute little snowman.
Aw, that's cute. I wonder where that came from.
A candy.
Whoa. I've seen those before.
Wait, Mom.
What?
Ew, oh wait, hold on.
Were you eating my gingerbread house? My gingerbread house.
Yeah. So, should we stop here?
Is that everything?
I don't think I want to go that far. Ew! Is that... Were you constipated? Were you too constipated and the poop didn't go out but it went up?
Ew. Probably from eating all that stuff. That would... Eating a tube of Fix-It-Out would constipate anybody. Ew, don't put it on his head. Here.
I'm gonna put it on you!
No. Don't put it near Mickey.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so guys, this is everything we found in Grandpa Elf. We found the Grinch sweater. We found some candy, Mickey candy from my gingerbread house. My gingerbread house.
We have an Elfie.
A creepy elf that looks like it's about 50 years old
Here,
or more.
ready?
A rubber band.
Probably for his hair.
Yeah, most likely. We got some
Poop.
some turds.
We have a denture.
Dentures.
Why are you touching everything that I put
I don't know.
And we have some
Elfo dent. Hey, Carly, do you want to do the You Won't Do It challenge?
Why?
You won't put some Elfo dent on these and stick them to your teeth. Or just
Bye!
wear the teeth. Do, 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 do. Come on. I'm not gonna run. I don't believe in running. Teeth! Wear the teeth. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you think Carly should wear these teeth.
100,000 likes.
100,000 likes.
1 million likes.
100,000
1
likes.
million likes.
100,000.
1 million likes.
100,000. 100,000 likes and Carly will wear these dentures for 24 hours.
No! Why not?
Now what do we do with Grandpa? Should we surgery and repair him? We can try to stuff him back up with the stuff he ate. What do you think?
I'm too lazy. I'm just kidding. Maybe not.
Okay guys, so that was cutting open Grandpa Elf. We hope you liked this video.
If you did,
make sure to give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Don't leave me. You better not.